Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Now last week I uploaded a base makeup tutorial which actually involved a lot of steps and products. That is an apt routine for your glam makeup sessions. Like if you have an event to attend or an occasion where you need to be grand, or if you are a bride or a bridesmaid, or if you want to feel nice doing a glam makeup thing, you can actually follow that base makeup routine. But I understand and I agree that that is not something that is easily followable or practical for your everyday makeup needs. So I have come up with another base makeup routine which is very simple. Like you literally need 5 to 6 minutes to do this, and you just need 4 products, and it just involves 3 steps, and you get a nice base. Okay, so yeah, now in this video I'm going to show you how I created this base, which is all those which has got all those features that I just listed before. Okay, so yeah, before moving on to the actual content, if this is the first time you are visiting me, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Do follow me on my Instagram and LinkedIn. I will leave the handles on the screen. Okay, now without any further ado, let's begin. I have already done my moisturizer and sunscreen. Let's start with our base. First, I'm going to apply an orange corrector. Now I have heavy dark circles and pigmentations and blemishes, so I need a good color corrector to kind of counterbalance all these blueness in my pigmentation. Okay, so if you are someone who just have little bit of discoloration like uneven skin tone, you can skip orange corrector too, so that you only have to use 3 products. I'll be dotting that orange corrector on the areas where I need that color correction effect, and then I'm going to dot my concealer on the same areas where I've dotted my orange corrector, which is again where I need some color correction and coverage. Okay, so basically wherever I have my dark circles, blemishes and pigmentation, I'm going to dot my orange corrector and concealer together and blend it out together. Okay, so now if you have a concealer that has got a peach or a orange undertone to it, you can skip orange corrector too. Okay, but I don't have such kind of concealer with me, so I'll be using an orange corrector together with it. Okay, so I'm going to blend this together using a beauty blender. You can use your brush as well, and if you are someone who is just starting out with makeup, if you find it little intimidating to dot orange corrector and concealer together and blend it out together, you can apply your orange corrector first, blend it out, and then go in with the concealer. Okay, that's also something you can do. And while blending my forehead, I'm not taking it to the outer perimeters because I want the tan to show up, because it will look like a natural bronzer. That I want that finish. Okay, nextly I'll be using a blush, and I'm gonna use a purple blush. I've already mentioned it in one of my video that purple blushes are a blessing to deep dark skin tone. Okay, if you are from a brown skin family, use a purple blush. Okay, I'm just dotting it and building it to an extent which I would like to kind of have my blush. So yeah, a little bit on my nose. I like it looks cohesive when I apply it on my nose too. So once we blended our blush, next I'm going to set my face with a loose powder. I did not show that loose powder. It was Dazzler's loose powder in shade coffee. Okay, I'm going to set my entire face using that loose powder, and also over blush too, because if you don't set this kind of cream blush, it will move, and you don't need to worry much about the staying power, because loose powders can make your base stay long. Okay, and with that we completed. Now here you can see I haven't painted my entire face fully with foundation, so the natural dimensions are already there. And again, as I said, I did not cover much of my outer perimeters where I have some tan, which will add to the naturally bronzed effect. And then to add more dimension, I have applied only blush, because blush alone can bring some dimension back to your face. Okay, so now your face looks nice and 3D affected, so it's a nice base to go on for an everyday basis. Or even if you are a minimalist, you can go with this for your occasions also. And yeah, if you want a brightened under eye, you can add one more concealer, or you can use a banana powder just underneath your eyes to kind of brighten it up. Okay. And yes, with that, we have come to an end. I hope you all found this video useful and informative. If you have any video requests, please do leave it in the comment section. I would love to do it for you guys. I will meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.